Kisah si anak batuk, cap ibu dan anak ibu beri. Hilang batuk, ikan di kail banyak sekali.
Ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak.
My name is Ajani Sarah binti Syarul Nizam. Metric number is TPC 09220087. Today, I want to introduce natural product and traditional medicine. Natural product include traditional medicine, herbal product, homeopathic medicine, and natural product with therapeutic claim. Traditional medicine was defined under the CDR-CR 1984. Traditional medicine refers to any product used in practice of indigenous medicine in which the drug consists solely of one or more natural occurring substance of plant, animal, or mineral of part thereof in the unextract of crude extract form and homeopathic medicine.
My name is Nur Aziz Shahira binti Muhammad Shraimi. My matrix number is TPC 09220042. So I'm here to explain about description of the ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak. First of all, this is a traditional medicine. Take dark brown syrup with sweetish and almond odor. Traditionally used for symptomatic relief of sore throat and cough. Sometimes it's weather or polluted air. Other times, lack of sleep, excessive smoking, or too much oily food can take its toll of your lungs and throat. Especially formulated with soothing honey, churn bay, as well as 14 other traditional herbs to reduce phlegm, soothe throats, and relieve cough.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Hidayah binti Muhammad Ismail. My matric number is TPC 09220062. For my part, I will explain about the active ingredient of this product. So the API are Bulbus fritillaria cirrhosa, Folium Eriobotria japonica, Radix adenophora tetraphylla, Poriococcus, Exocarpium citrus grandis, Radix platycodon grandiflorum, Rhizoma pinnalia preparatum, Fructus scindra chinensis, Semen trichosanthus kirilovi, Flos tussilago farfara, Radix polygala tenoifolia, and Semen prunus. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Nur Atika Nadira binti Muhammad Jaafar. My matric number 09220055. I will present about sources of the ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak. A combination of natural ingredients, which is a combination of 14 rich Chinese herbs as well as soothing honey. This rich syrup gets its healing properties from all the traditional herbs used, such as longwood leaves, eucharis root, fresh ginger, and menthol, which also give a different taste which everyone likes.
My name is Siti Nur Shafika binti Muhammad Razli. My matrix number is TPC 09220072. I'm gonna talk about the indication of this medicine, ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak. It relieves discomforts and protection of irritated area in sore mouth and sore throat. Has relief of cough due to copious mucus and relief discomfort of throat, aphonia, and hoarseness. There are known contraindications. However, if in doubt of the suitability of this product, please consult your doctor or pharmacist before taking this product.
My name is Muhammad Rifhan Bisamzul and my matric number is TPC 09220030. So today I will talk about the registration and the legality of the ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak. DCA has published drug registration guidance document and important reference for registration of medical product, covering quality control, inspection, license, and post-registration activities. The registration number for the ubat batuk cap ibu dan anak is MEL 06061564T.
My name is Muhammad Imran Hasnul bin Muhammad Hamidi. My matric number DPC 09220086. For the conclusion, medicine cap ibu dan anak is very popular among the public because it is said to have the best ingredient throughout the year. The cough medicine is specially formulated with the goodness of honey and 14 natural herbs. Ingredients can help relieve 4 different types of cough, namely relieving cough, reducing phlegm, relieving pharyngitis, and reducing body temperature.